Today we are going to see none data type in Python. So what is this none data type? So this data type is used to represent no value in Python. In some programming languages, there is null value, right? In the same way in Python, whenever you want to represent no value, that is represented using this none. So this none is one keyword in Python. So we will see this practically. Now we will see none data type practically. For example, I have one variable age and I have assigned here none. So none is one keyword in Python. Its first letter, that is N, is capital. And if I print this age on the console, if I run this, it is none. And if I check its data type, age, and if I run this, it is none type, right? So this is one keyword in Python, that is none, and its data type, if we have checked, it is none type. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon to get notification. And if you have any doubt, you can comment below.